Good morning, family. It's been a while, but I'm back with my summer content. And today we're doing my get ready with me for work. I brought my skincare stuff upstairs because honestly, I feel like I'm slower when I do it downstairs, and I have like more time than if I do it up here. So I'm doing it up here. And we're gonna start with my toner. Wait. Or you know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna like do my skincare and mind my business. But anyway, oh, I just felt something drip on me. I didn't like that. Anyways, today I'm gonna be walking to my bus stop today, and it's a little bit like it's a far distance as a walk, but it's a really close drive. So yeah, and today is the first day of the new session, so I'm really excited because I missed most of session 1. So yeah, I'm really excited. Last year session 2 was my favorite. This year still probably is going to be my favorite, just because I think it's just because the only one that I'm really like fully there for, because I don't stay for all of session 3, because session 3 is only 2 weeks and I only go for the first week. After that week I just don't show up again. And we have I'm going to the beach tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna vlog that, so I guess this is like a 2 days in my life vlog. That's really cool. Forgive me if I'm a little awkward. I haven't spoken to a camera in a while. I feel like I sound like a guy doing skincare. Straight guy doing skincare. Oh my goodness, can we please talk about that? Why is it so weird for a straight man to do skincare? Like, it's so weird. Because I can talk to like straight males, right? And I ask them, oh, what's in your skincare routine? They go soap, water, and like a lotion, or soap, water, and Vaseline. Not like that's bad. At least you're cleaning your face. But like, do you take care of your face? Do you take care of your face? Gosh, I'm not saying like break out like, you know, the toner and the 16 different moisturizers and stuff, but like at least have a solid routine. Like, they couldn't name a skincare product, and like I was like, what? I am all done with my skincare routine. Next, I'm gonna get dressed. You guys are gonna be so shocked. No, you're not. Maybe you are. I'm gonna get dressed. Alright, y'all. It's time to make my morning matcha. We're gonna make it in my 14-ounce Stanley that I also got for my birthday for my sweet darling Kayla. First, we need to go get ice, and I'm gonna come back and get that. Alright, y'all, I just packed my lunch because I didn't want to forget, because if I just made my matcha and dipped and forgot my lunch, I was gonna be so mad. But now I'm heating up my water. Guys, you're gonna be so proud of me. I got oat milk. I used to hate oat milk because of one time I tried the Calfia Farms like latte thing, and it was like nasty, like dead ass nasty. But I think it's just the brand. It's just the brand of oat milk, to be honest. Because I like this one. This is the one that they use at like Starbucks and Dunkin'. Like, this is the barista. It's not the barista style one. It's the original. I wanted to get the barista style one, but I couldn't find it. And this is the matcha I'm gonna be using. Don't look at me. I didn't do it. I don't have like a matcha set to like do it, you know, professionally, but it's all cool. It's all cool. I don't need that much water because the water for 2 scoops isn't even like that much. Ooh, I just got hit with that smoke. Okay, 1 scoop. Two scoops. I'm gonna use a frother. Please, nobody kill me. Nobody kill me in the comments, please. Because I swear, the matcha like enthusiast or connoisseur like comes up. I'm like, you're not doing it right. Your matcha is not gonna be right. I don't care. I'm using what I have until I get the set that I need. And I just feel like no one should be judging because it tastes the same. It literally tastes the same. So anyways, I'm pouring my oat milk into my cup. I'm just remembering that you guys can only see my face and not what I'm doing. Just remembering that. But this is the station right now. So yeah, my matcha in this cup. Just pour oat milk into this cup. That's the thing I used. Anyways, I'm gonna get this. I bought this yesterday. I'm so happy with it because everything else was like sugar free. I wanted to get the strawberry one, but like literally my 2 options were for the strawberry to get either the sugar free strawberry or the Hershey's strawberry one. And I didn't want the Hershey strawberry syrup because that one's like not for drinks. So I ended up with this. And they also had like not vanilla. They had lavender matcha powder at Marshall's yesterday. And I was like, oh, that's so cutesy. I had to hurry up because I think now I'm taking the bus and it's like I literally am leaving my house later than expected. 30 minutes makes so much of a difference. You guys wouldn't even know. Time to pour my matcha. Pour a little more oat milk. You know, fill a cup. Alright, y'all, we're on the boat. And we're literally almost approaching the island. I would show you, but I'm too afraid my phone is gonna fall in the water. It's like my biggest fear. I'm just reading a book. as my cup flies by and it's super windy out here. 1 out of 5. There we go. Oh, sorry, what's your score? 1 out of 5. And then, wait, hold on. Guys, I packed my beautiful bag. Wait, I have another one. See it, it's there, you guys. Where's our lucky? Tell me why I read
She didn't like the infant moolah. I'm like, what's moolah? What? And then she didn't like the infant formula because the word is cut off. I said infant moolah. What? They got some moolah? No, it's formula. This is smart. I'm about to eat. Is it long lasting? Yeah. I don't know. YOLO. That's my new lingo, guys. I'm gonna post an updated lingo list so you guys know what I'm saying.
Before I send anything out today, I'll make sure I fix that.
Okay, my favorite Victorian word is skillamalik. What? Because of that reaction. Skillamalik. It means a like dishonest person.
Oh. Is that why you thought decrepit wasn't a word earlier?
No, decrepit's not even Victorian. It's just like a word. I didn't know about like early England.
What club are you in?
Swimming. Yes! And I knew I had to fill up the form the second that I got it because I wasn't gonna get what I wanted.
I know. I'm like, I filled it out so fast, I forgot I wanted to do sailing. I'm like, I haven't been in the water this whole time. I want to do something right.
Right, sailing was my second choice.
I know. I might have to do sailing next because I picked water sports. Like, do I really want to be out in the ocean? I'd rather be on a sailboat. Yeah. And I might not even be in the water this week. What's the weather for the week?
I feel like this week I just want to get my toes in the water.
What's the weather for this week?
It's gonna be hot. Like capital H-O-T.
Why is it gonna be in the 90s on Friday?
We're not gonna camp.
It's gonna hit 90 degrees at 1:15
We're not gonna be here on Friday.
No, at 1.
We're not gonna be here on Friday. What?
It's gonna be 90 degrees on Friday.
We're not gonna be here.
It's gonna be 90 degrees on Friday. Are we gonna come? We're gonna have camp on Friday? Are you positive?
You're kidding.
Unless it's going to be a good way for
You're actually joking. No.
But if there's
nothing happening
if there's
about
a heat
working
wave,
outside
we will
in
come, right?
90 degrees.
If there's like an emergency heat wave, okay.
That's not gonna be on Friday though.
Can we move the beach trip to Friday? Can we move the beach trip to Friday then?
You know, I don't.
It's not gonna be that hot tomorrow. Wait, let me check the area of where we're gonna be tomorrow. What's the area?
We're going to Salisbury.
Salisbury.
We're gonna be there for like 5 hours.
Salisbury.
On the yellow.
It's not gonna be that hot tomorrow.
Say like
If it doesn't feel hot today, it's not gonna feel hot tomorrow. Look, it's gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow at
we're on the
like
same boat. No, I agree.
the hottest it'll be is when we're gonna leave.
No.
You're joking.
It's gonna be like in the 70s in the morning and a bit sunny, but like, yeah. If you don't feel heat today, we're not gonna feel heat tomorrow.
Oh my god. But we're gonna be forced to come and work in 90-degree weather with a whole bunch of stinky children.
Unless it's heat wave, but
Can we pray that it is? I can stay inside with my air conditioning.
no, don't be serious.
Bye.
having my
You
yogurt
ain't never had no Chia Pet Plus.
every day, guys. Says this to me every day.
They already opened that part. Thank God. I know they.
No, it's not open. It's still construction.
Well, yeah, but like they opened that part. I love how they keep the. Did they keep the money too?
Yeah. He wanted to go on the bunny, but bro, my butt was burning, bro. Like I sat down on it and it was burning. Bro, it was so bad.
Why does the egg taste like that?
I'm so hungry.
Do you want one?
I'll just wait.
I'm probably not gonna. I ate something this morning.
I'm gonna let you finish that, and then when you're done, pass that over.
I want one now. My big old yogurt bowl. It's protein
Okay,
love.
so guys, I went to Lululemon this weekend, right? I didn't buy anything because I'm broke right now. But I was browsing and I know what sizes I am. So now I can get clothes. My man said he might buy me Lululemon. Hey, you know, Coochie has the Coochie, so the one is good. What? If it's not my money, it'll get bought.
The backpack that I got for free,
I want a water bottle.
and that shit's so like dirty. I need to clean it. I'm being so bad. Tomorrow when we go to the beach trip, I'm gonna bring a big picnic. You know the one I brought last year, the big yellow one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring it.
So we need snacks. Guys,
I'm gonna go to CVS this afternoon. Buy a shit ton of snacks. Because I'm gonna go to CVS. CVS is on a lot of deals right now.
Lauren, you can't. I thought it was raining. I was about to say.
Guys, should I get a turn for my beach day? A 10. I'm like dying to get one.
And then like, are you gonna get it today?
Oh no. No, no, today.
Oh, the real thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially if that day's gonna be hot.
Like, I don't get all this nice stuff. Like, I asked today in the group chat, I asked if snacks should be like bring it home. And stuff, just so that it's like less that we have to bring there. Because not everyone has a ride, and most of them are probably going to carpool at my house. So,
Where are y'all going?
fantastic. I just need to figure out a couple of things and then I can send out the invitation.
That shitty ass ponytail.
Oh, she do her edges?
I'm gonna cut the camera. Everyone say bye. Say bye. Guys, it's been a really long day. I'm super tired. So now I'm just walking around trying to get some big dragon energy. So far, working, it's been fun. It's been pretty okay. I have to fill my water bottle and then come back. But seeing some people from last year, and that was good because they all remember me. But I'm gonna go now. Alright y'all, I'm back and I'm dressed. And I'm going to show you the rest of the products that I used for my routine. We're going to start with the lotion. Actually, no, we're going to start with the deodorant. I used this one. It's the Rose Petal scent from Dove. I love the dry spray. It works so well for me.
yeah, I don't have no complaints or nothing, no special praise, because it's really just a deodorant. Spray it under your arms, and if you feel like you're sweating like a lot, wipe your arm and spray it again. It's that simple. I do it every day. And this is the lotion that I use. I usually have the pink champagne one, but last time I went to the store I couldn't find it, so we got jasmine peach. I love my EOS lotion so much. Like, this is the third one that I tried. The first one I tried was vanilla cashmere, of course. Love that, but like, it's not a signature scent for me. You know what I should try? I want to try the coconut waters one, because I heard things about it. I want to try it. Okay, so after wait, hold on, there was one more. Okay, here it is. After I put lotion on, I perfumed again. I like to do that. I like to layer my scents. So my base scent is coconut. My lotion scent is jasmine peach. Very floral, but also a little fruity. I like that. And then I went in with Viva Vanilla, because I felt cozy. It's nighttime, so, you know. And then I used this. It's the Velvet Petals one. I got this one for Christmas in a pack of like 4. It was Velvet Petals, Love Spell, Pure Seduction, and Bare Vanilla. This and Bare Vanilla is almost finished. Do you see how much I have left? Yeah, I used all of it. I love that one. That one is my second fave. I had Love Spell and I don't know what happened to it. Like, it literally got lost. But I used this on my pulse points. And I also like to use this one. This one I got at Marshall's. I couldn't even tell you the name because I can't read. I feel like an old person because I'm just like, I have hearing problems now. And I can't like read as well as I used to. Like, my eyes are going because I squint a lot more. But now we're gonna do little face. On my face, I don't really do too much. It's just a serum. I finished my eye cream. I had to get some more. So serum and then a cream, and then I'm like good to go. God. Okay. Now I've done it. I currently have a movie playing in the back, and all I have to do now is pack my bag for tomorrow, and then what's it called? I have to pack my bag, wash some dishes in the sink, and then just go to bed. The goal was to go to bed by 10. Latest I'm going to bed is probably like 10:45. Just because I need to triple check and make sure that I have everything in my bag. Because sometimes, every time I go somewhere, or like a sleepover, either I go to a sleepover, I go to the pool, I go to the beach, I'm always forgetting one thing. It's specifically those 3 times. Or no, even when I travel sometimes, I'm always forgetting something. So I need to make sure that I have everything. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Guys, in this economy, I think we really need to learn how to be mindful of how much product we're using. Because at the end of the day, like, things cost money to make, and things cost money to buy. So I think that we should all just be mindful of what we're doing, because materials, it costs to get materials and all that. Actually, No, I'm not gonna lie. I paid like $5 max for my whole skincare set. Maybe like $7 because of tax. So, I don't know. But it works. I remember being scared of dollar store skincare, but like it's been working for me. And like there was a point in time where I just like stopped and my skin was getting so bad. So now I'm trying to get back into my skincare routine, incorporate it, not just like shower, lotion, and sleep. Like I'm taking care of myself again. But now that I'm done with this, we're gonna shoot. Oh, it's in my bag. And put my stuff away. Like the responsible person that I am. Just put my stuff away. Now we're gonna shoot at what's in my bag. Alright, good morning family. It's currently like 6:10. And we're gonna do my edges really quickly because I have to leave at 6:30. I don't have shoes on, if you were wondering. I've been like screaming at my mother that I need more edge control for like days. I'm gonna get my damn edge control. I just don't know when. Guys, I'm so excited. I have money to buy things in case like they don't have something that I want. But it's so sad because I didn't get to go to the store last night, so whatever I wanted at the store, I can't really get at that store because that store doesn't open till 7. And I'm literally leaving in like 20 minutes. I'm gonna come back when it's done. All right, y'all, we're at the beach.
Yeah, guys, let's go.
So we got to the beach, right? And she needs to go to the bathroom. So I went with her to the bathroom, and I'm barefoot because I didn't think the walk was gonna be that far.
They also said it was far as hell. She just didn't listen. So,
Guys, I have bad hearing.
it's kind of her fault.
Well, it's not my fault I have bad hearing.
Next time, just listen. Yeah.
Oh well.
Anyways, guys, yeah.
I stepped on like 2 rocks. And people kept looking at my toes.
Yeah, well, you just said the same. I mean, like, my toes are out, but it looks normal because I'm in sandals. You guys don't get to see these for free, buddy.
No toes for you hoes. I'm so bored.
Ugh. Or needs to hurry up and get out there. Oh, look at Yurik.
Where? Oh.
Yeah, where else? Fat ass.
Wow.
You're pissing me off.
All right, y'all. We're about to step in the water.
Yeah, I guess, guys.
The water looks nice, though.
It's not nice enough for this.
Oh. Say that. You just hurt the ocean's feelings.
They're all open, bro. Damn it.
Wait, I gotta show you guys. You guys don't get to see my toes, but you get to see me walk in the water. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Nope. Why did she run so fast? Guys, it's actually so pretty. It's not talking to you that I'm standing on business, is it? Okay, I'm done. No, I don't feel right standing.
We can do any, bro. We can practically be doing the buggy with our foot, and they won't notice. You notice that? we could. Huh? Or he scratches the face just in case you want some, because I feel like he's gonna change your mind, like he changed it with the ice cream. Pat on the back for that, you know. Good job, changing. Hey. See? What do you keep doing?
Alright guys, they left me. Oh, thank you. I just got my fried dough. It looks so it looks so big and beautiful. I would tip it, but there's a lot of sugar on it. And I'm a little scared. I'm gonna put a little cinnamon sugar on it. Thank you. You too. Wait, can I get like another plate to cover this?
One mozzarella, one corn dog. Yeah. Yeah, please.
Some cool. I'm gonna film when I get back on the beach because I'm gonna be carrying a lot of stuff in my hand. Alright, y'all.
There's not even salt on the bitches.
What's your issue? What happened?
There's not even salt on the fries.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I know that doesn't look good.
That was tough. Did you have one? Hey, I want some. After I'm done now. Dylan! What you got over there? What are you eating?
I'm gonna rip you a piece.
If you're gonna play, go on the other side because I'm not trying to get hit. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Just because I'm like, it's so good, I'm not sure it's gonna wait for you. I hate the wind. The wind is my biggest op. Because why is there not powdered sugar everywhere?
Of course it was that
Is it greedy if I go back to the store? Huh? Is it greedy if I go to like one of the cafes for a matcha, even though I already made one this morning? Because I kind of want to, because I saw some lady with it earlier. Oh my goodness. Alright, we bringing black to the beach, bro.
Baby, me alegro. Vamos a celebrar el perro negro. Dile a ese cabrón que tú no quieres arreglo. Dile a tu pai que quiero que sea mi suegro. Mami, tiene el party prendido. Saca un cosito, estoy sorprendido. Me dijo que la amiguita está contigo. La loquita es un lío. Si le pongo el reggaetón, marihuana. Hoy se de parche hasta las 6 de la mañana. Quiero que salgas de mi mente y te metas en mi cama. Porque tú tienes cara que tienes la pussy linda. Que los déjalo con chulo como Belinda. Manéjame la chapa.
I'm squinting like I don't have sunglasses.
No me importa cuál es la hora ni cuál es tu signo. Si el DJ para pastor, nos casamos aquí mismo. Baby, pero como
Oh shit.
yo no es lo mismo.
I had utensils and they just fell out my pocket. Oh, this is my drink, guys. I got the strawberry daiquiri. I hope the sand never leaves your crevices. Anyways, guys, this is my drink. I had whipped cream and stuff on it, but like shit melted. That's my cue to stop recording. Alright, y'all, I'm making my way home. I have to take the train, and that's coming in 11 minutes. So I think while I'm here, I'm gonna like sit and edit my vlog. It's saying it's gonna take me like an hour to get home, but that's 25 minutes max. Because I gotta get off the train and then I gotta walk like 10-15 minutes. I don't know why it says 17. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm home. So I lied because when I got home I didn't record. But thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Young private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder.